what's the story?
Okay, it's a very interesting story actually. So the act,
short.
yeah, I cut it short. The very performance what I did, and after which you gave a break. That performance was from a movie which released right today, called Sanju Vets Geeta 2, and there is a sequence over there where there is a idli replaced by water, and the hero and heroine, same scene, honey and this thing, and the heroine will ask the hero to mix either honey or this thing, and the emotion over there was just she will mix honey, he will mix honey, and she is like, I love you, Santu, is the dialogue she says in front of the ocean. So that's the same thing almost I enacted. But the meaning of idli is what I felt very curious. Idli is not the idli what you eat in the south. It is I deeply love you, like idli. So that is how the full form is. So that is what I liked about it.
Okay. So it's written time travel.
Yeah.
Any moment you would like to change?
So what is the question? Full question.
The question is, if you had some superpower,
Yeah.
and you wrote time travel
To the
past.
To the past, yeah, absolutely. The reason I wrote time travel to the past is because I think we all have gone through hard times during COVID, and in life, if I want to change something, I had worked as a corona warrior, had worked as a social worker with Karnataka state government and also central government. So I've seen people dying right in front of me, and a close uncle of mine also got expired. So uske baad I felt if I had time traveled, I would have made sure that COVID virus, whatever is there, traveled from China to India. I would stop it somewhere there so that the death rate in India would decrease. Yeah, so that's the reason I want to time travel and probably change that.
So you are an engineer.
I'm a mechanical engineer, just like you, brother.
I'm not a mechanical engineer.
Oh, but you are an engineer, is what I heard. Yeah.
All right. So next thing is, why did you choose this field? I mean, engineer इतना भी कम पैसा नहीं कमा पा रहे यार.
नहीं तो मैं वही तो चीज़ बोलने वाला था. Like, why did I choose acting?
Yeah.
Okay, so very nice question. So most influencers today, as she knows, one Anveshi Jain, she's an engineer, and she turned into model and she's acting in movies. और मैंने आज तक मेरा पॉडकास्ट जो स्पीक विद सुशांत है, मैं जितना भी सेलिब्रिटीज इंटरव्यू किया, किच्चा सुदीप, Rakshit Shetty, all these people, Rakshit is my super senior, 777 Charlie guy. So all these people are engineers, and I believe the most creative people who can do are engineers, because we know the sound, everything technicalities. Once we are into acting field, we know that. And why I chose acting is mainly because भाई मुझे लाइफ में एक एम है, उसमें लाइक एक लाइन भी लिखा है, व्हाट यू वांट टू बी, व्हाट यू वुड हैव बीन टू बिकम, लाइक मैंने साइंटिस्ट ऐसा कुछ लिखा है क्वेश्चन के लिए. तो ये दोनों रिलेटेड है, तो इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ.
Cricketer.
हाँ, साइंटिस्ट एंड क्रिकेटर. सो व्हाई आई रोट दैट इज बिकॉज इनिशियली व्हेन आई वाज अ चाइल्ड, आई वाज अ राइट आर्म मीडियम फेस स्पीड बॉलर, एंड आई यूज्ड टू गो टू क्रिकेट कैंप्स, एंड ये मुझे बहुत मोटिवेट कर रहा था. उसके बाद अनिल कुंबले को मैंने देखा, वो इंजीनियर था, उसके साथ साथ वो ये क्रिकेट भी कर रहा था. तो मैंने सोचा हाँ, मे बी आई विल डू टू थिंग्स, लाइक आई बिकम अ साइंटिस्ट एंड ऑल्सो डू दिस. बट साइंटिस्ट इज अ ड्रीम which still I am pursuing in my mind, but did not come to existence absolutely because of COVID, because I got a seat in TU Berlin in Germany to do masters in space engineering. But they said it is hybrid, and I had to arrange 40 lakhs to do that, and 40 lakhs doing a hybrid course, and आपको space engineering kit भी घर में भेज देगा बोला. मैंने बोला भाई नहीं, मुझे cultural exchange होना है. तो उस वजह से मैं वहाँ से acting इसलिए shift हुआ. भाई मेरा Facebook में एक टैगलाइन है, लाइफ इज अ ब्रिज एंड द स्टार्ट एंड द एंड इज लाइक योर बर्थ एंड द डेथ, एंड यू आर नाउन टू द पीपल टू द डिफरेंस व्हाट यू मेक व्हेन यू क्रॉस दिस ब्रिज. और मुझे ये ब्रिज है ना, इसमें बहुत सारा चेंज लाना है. वो चेंज करने के लिए आपको इधर इन्फ्लुएंशियल एक्टर बनना है, जैसा आप कुछ बोलता है, जैसा सोनू सूद है, वो कुछ बोलता है तो लोग सुनता है, वैसा आई वांट टू बिकम अ पर्सनालिटी लाइक दैट, who could influence people, influence lives, and also I want to train people on confidence building and public speaking. ये मेरा गोल है.
Great. अंकिता जी.
सब तो बोल रही हूँ, मतलब अभी कुछ पूछ रहे हैं.
अरे आप तो पूछना ही है यार, आपका बारे में भी मैं फॉर्म में लिखा है एक्चुअली, आप फॉर्म पढ़ो.
नहीं, मैंने पढ़ा.
हाँ हाँ, मैं आपके लिए सेपरेट फॉर्म लिखा है एक्चुअली.
पढ़ा था, मैंने पढ़ा था. फॉर्म भी पीछे लिखा हुआ.
हाँ हाँ, so that is how you influence me as an individual.
You were a nice actor.
Thank you.
And if you are studying, if you are, what do you say?
No, I am not. Like, I finished my engineering. I am doing. I have already acted in 2 films now. You know, Real Star Upendra, UI. So I had acted in that film. So also Detective Tikshna with his wife, who is a Bengali actress. But now I am looking to work in other language industries, Hindi जैसा web series जैसा आप लोग सब काम कर रहे हैं वैसा मैं आई एम लुकिंग फॉर डाइवर्सिफाइड बॉर्डर्स एंड ऑल्सो आई डू क्रॉस कास्टिंग जहाँ पे बाहर का लोग कन्नड़ा में एक्ट करता है और मैं खुद बाहर जाना चाहता हूँ.
तो ठीक है सुशांत भाई,
Thank you.
आपके 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 पास मेरे लिए कुछ सवाल नहीं है कसम से.
आपने इतना कुछ बोल दिया ना कि I'm like, I'm done.